Hi yogis, welcome to today's short yoga session. We will explore Sphinx pose. This is a gentle heart opening backbend that nourishes the spine and calms the mind. So come down to your belly, stretch your legs back behind you, allowing the top of your feet rest to the mat. Place your elbows underneath your shoulders. Press gently into your forearms, lift your head, chest, and upper torso. Keep your belly relaxed and allow your tailbone to lengthen towards your heels. And imagine your spine lengthening forward. Your forearms are pushing to the ground. And make sure that you don't strain the back, that you go as deep into the stretch as possible for you today. Take deep breaths. We are strengthening the spine. We are also releasing lower back tension. We are stimulating the abdominal organs, and on the physical level, we are calming the nervous system. And this is a very beginner-friendly and safe posture. And it's great for people who are experiencing back pain or recovering from fatigue. So just keep that pose here and imagine energy coming from the cosmos through the third eye and your crown chakra on top of the head, coming to your body, into your heart, anahata chakra, and also this earth grounding energy coming through your feet and slowly making its way up to the spine and also melting into your heart. Deep breaths here. This is the powerful heart chakra, anahata chakra opening. We are encouraging love, compassion, and forgiveness, healing emotional wounds and past hurts, improving empathy, and our deep sense of presence and peace within us. Now, while we hold this pose, we are doing our beautiful affirmations. So just relax and breathe deep. I open my heart to receive peace and love. With every breath, I grow stronger and more confident. I welcome new possibility with an open heart. I have removed all blockages and resistance from my body and mind. My life force energy moves freely in my body. I am supported. I am grounded. I trust the earth beneath me. I release fear and embrace calm. I soften into this moment and allow healing to flow through me. With each exhale, I release tension from my spine and mind. I let go of what no longer serves me. My spine lengthens with strength, ease, and balance. Energy flows freely through my heart and core. I honor my body. I treat it with kindness. I am fully present, calm, and at peace. Very good. And now, gently put your head down. And if you want, you can go to the counter stretch. So that way your back can release all tension once more. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Lots of love. Bye.